Hey guys, what is up? It is Alicia. So for today's tutorial, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to make those Instagram videos that have text over them, and not the ones that are just like the Instagram text. This is like animated, and so I thought this was a pretty cool thing. But all credit goes to Alicia Marie actually, because this was in her recent Instagram hacks video, so I'll link that down below, and if I forget, remind me. But I wanted to show you guys basically how to do this on your phone and for your own stories. So you're going to need to download the app HypeType, and it's free completely to use. But if you actually want to not have a watermark over it, you do have to pay like $2 or $3, I think. So there's that. But for people who do use this often, I think it's a good investment. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into the app, and you can either take a video by holding down this white button here, or you can swipe up. Okay, got it. And you add a photo. You have to make sure though that you didn't like accidentally take a video, because then it's not going to accept it. Okay, so once you have your actual picture, as you can see, it just says double tap to edit. So you can type in up to 2 things of text, and I'm just gonna do swipe up because that's usually what people do for these, even though I don't have that feature on my Instagram. But yeah, you could just scroll to the second one and have a second option for text. But when you're done, go to the top right corner and press the check mark. So if you want a different text effects, what you have to do is there's this little bar in the middle of the bottom of the screen, and you're going to go to text. And you're just going to click on all the different options, and you guys can see which ones you prefer. There's so many of them, and there are some if you actually want to buy it, but that would be like the $2 you would spend on not having the watermark. But yeah, there's a lot of options if you don't actually want to spend the money. So I'm just going to choose one that I like. So I think it was this one. Yeah, I like this one, so I'm just going to click on this. And you could put it anywhere on your picture. I'm just going to put it in the middle. And then you can also change the color by clicking this bar down here. And as you guys can see, there's a ton of different colors and options for what your text can look like. So I'm just gonna play around with it for a second. All right, let's go with this one. Okay, so once you're done, there's this little arrow here in the right corner, so I'm just gonna press that. If you want to actually crop this so that it's like Instagram video size or like a rectangle, you can go to this crop tool here and press like a square or a rectangle, and it will actually shrink it down to that size so you can upload it on Instagram. But I'm just gonna go with this so I can use it for my story. And what you're gonna want to do is go to this 3 like bar thing at all the way on the right on that bottom bar we were looking at. And this is where you can actually add music. So you have almost the entire iTunes library that you can go through.